You are going to love the 2013 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound, CD player. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.